Hi, I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Street View on a mobile device, either Android or iPhone. So I have never been to Amalfi, Italy. Let's go. You start by opening Google Maps and then going where you want to go. I'm going to tap search here and type Amalfi. Now there are several ways to get into Street View. I mean, this little picture right here shows you Street View, but I'm not sure where in Amalfi that is. I want to pick a place that's right by the coast. So I'm going to use the Layers button and turn on the Street View layer. This makes it a lot like the computer way of using it because you'll see blue lines wherever Street View exists. And I'm going to zoom in a bit. I think this looks interesting here. So I'm going to just tap on a street there, and now I tap on the Street View icon. It's hard to see, but there's a little circular arrow on this photo. Now I am in Street View, and I can look around. Once I'm in Street View, I can tap these arrows to move along the road, or since that's kind of slow, I can double tap in the road up ahead further. But now there's another way, and I don't know why I'm not seeing it on my Android, but I'm going to switch over to my iPhone to show you. Here's my iPhone, and it's looking at Street View in approximately the same place in Amalfi. And notice as I rub on the street, this blue line appears. So I can just drag on the blue line, and it's a much smoother experience than tapping on those arrows. Now I have no idea where I've gotten to in Amalfi here. I want to see the map. The way you do that is this little arrows touching each other in the lower right. That will bring up a split screen, and we see the map along with the Street View, and I can tell where I'm going. So if I'm going in the wrong direction, I can just spin it around, just spin the whole view around, and now I can go in the other direction. You just watch this arrow down here to see which way I'm going and how far. If you look at the map, in some places you'll see a little blue circle. That is another Street View picture, but it's just not a route. It's just a 360-degree picture. You tap on it and it takes you there, and I want to get rid of the map now so that I see the whole thing. And this was apparently taken on a boat. This was not taken with the Google Street View car. This was taken by somebody named Oleg S, and he uploaded it to Google Maps. So you can look all the way around, but you can't travel. There's no route here. This little compass, watch this. If I tap that, it allows me to look around just by moving the phone. Ha! Wow, pretty cool. All right, so how do I get out of here? And let's look at something else. You tap the back button, and now I'm just back to the map, and I want to go to the Eiffel Tower. Often when you search for a place, if it has Street View associated with it, you'll get the little picture right away. So I just searched for Eiffel Tower. This little button will take me into Street View. And there I am at the Eiffel Tower. And I can wander around by just dragging on that blue line. And then the last thing to show you is what if you want to look at a place that is not a named location on the map. I'm going to back out, and I'm going to go home, which is the arrow here. This is just take me home, which is Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And there's a place on the beach where we park at the beach to take our kayaks out kayak diving, and I want to look at that spot. So here's the beach, and we usually park somewhere about here. So what you do is you just long press and drop a pin. And if there is street view at that location, you get the little picture with the circular arrow. And there, that's it. And I can, too bad this isn't real time, because then we'd see if there's any good parking spots available. But you get the idea here. Now let's say that I wanted to send this to somebody. I want to say, see, this is where we park at the beach and can take our kayaks out scuba diving. You just tap on the 3 dots and share, and you can share that with an email, and when they click on this link, they will go straight to Street View at that spot. And that's how you use Street View on a mobile device.